I now invite Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, Leader of the House in the Senate and Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan, to say a few words to welcome the esteemed delegation headed by Excellency Syed Dufong, Vice Chairman of the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress.
Shukriya, Janab Chairman. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala Rasul al-Kareem. Mr. Chairman, it's a great honor to welcome our distinguished guest, Excellency Syed Afang, and honorable delegation members from the People's Republic of China to the Senate of Pakistan. Mr. Chairman, today we celebrate 75 years of establishment of diplomatic relations between Pakistan and China. Our all-weather strategic cooperative partner has stood all tests of time. Our relationship is based on mutual trust, mutual respect, and mutual benefit. Mr. Chairman, we deeply appreciate China's consistent support for Pakistan's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Likewise, Pakistan upholds the One China principle and supports China on all its core interests. Mr. Chairman, our recent joint initiatives to promote peace and stability in the Gulf and the Middle East reflect a shared sense of responsibility as peace-loving nations to contribute positively to global security and stability. Throughout the conflict between US and Iran and Israel, we have been in constant touch with my counterpart, Foreign Minister, His Excellency Mr. Wang Yi. At the invitation of Mr. Wang Yi, I had a one-day visit to China, Beijing, on 31st of March, and we came up with 5 points initiative for peace plan in the conflict, and this has been accepted and endorsed by dozens of countries on the globe. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan and China share a converging vision on regional and global issues. We are committed to uphold the purposes and principles of the UN Charter in the world facing complex challenges. Our coordination in the United Nations, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO, and other international forums has been vital in defending the interests of developing countries and promoting global peace. Pakistan is one of the founding members in the creation of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank of China. We were the initial signatory, and so are we on the International Organization for Mediation, which was finalized just a year ago. Mr. Chairman, over the past 7.5 decades, our relationship has grown from strength to strength into a robust economic and strategic partnership. From the Karakoram Highway to Gwadar Port, the symbols of Pak-China friendship are spread all across Pakistan geography. Mr. Chairman, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, stands as the flagship project of the Belt and Road Initiative and a shining example of our shared vision for regional connectivity and prosperity. CPEC has played a key role in transforming Pakistan's economic landscape. We look forward to next phase of CPEC 2.0, focusing on industrialization, agriculture, IT, and socio-economic development. We are confident that the benefits of Pak-China partnership will reach to every citizen of Pakistan. Mr. Chairman, the CPEC idea was born initially after the 2013 general elections, whereas PMLN has been elected with 2/3 majority, and Chinese Premier was having a visit of Pakistan during the caretaker government. At the invitation of Chinese Premier, Pakistan was invited, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, accompanied by myself, at that time with the Chief Minister, now Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, and we have very meaningful meetings at Serena. I'm reminding you, Mr. Chairman, the time when Pakistan used to have 18 hours of outages in the cities and 20 hours in the villages. The focus of discussion with China was the support we asked for from China to overcome the outages and the load shedding in Pakistan. And I must put on record that that was the beginning of the discussions with China, which ultimately turned out to be CPEC project. And China gave massive support in eliminating the outages and the load shedding in Pakistan. We will always remain grateful to China. Mr. Chairman, in today's turbulent world, the role of parliamentary democracy has significantly increased. The Senate of Pakistan has always supported stronger Pakistan-China relations. Visits such as that of Excellency Syed Afang further deepens understanding between our institutions and peoples. Mr. Chairman, being myself a parliamentarian throughout since 1993, I firmly believe in structured and regular parliamentary exchanges. This helps to build consensus and shore up wisdom of Pakistani political parties across the political spectrum. Mr. Chairman, I'll be accompanying His Excellency Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, during his forthcoming state visit to China, May the 23rd to 26th, in which there would be also celebrations of 75th anniversary of our relationship. During the visit, besides having engagements with the Chinese leadership, including President Xi, Premier Li, and business-to-business enterprises meetings, we would also have meetings of two very important mechanisms. One, Pakistan-China Political Forum, and two, CPEC Joint Consultative Mechanism. A large multi-party parliamentary delegation from Pakistan would be participating in many of these meetings in Beijing. Mr. Chairman, to conclude, I once again extend heartiest congratulations to the leadership and people of both Pakistan and China on the 75th anniversary of China-Pakistan great brotherhood and diplomatic relations. We look forward to working together for a shared future of peace, prosperity, and progress in our region and beyond. I thank you all. Pakistan-China friendship, Zindabad. Long live China-Pakistan friendship. Thank you.